Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infinity of Nashua, we have the 2021 Lexus RC350 F Sport. Just under the RCF. This is actually the fastest all-wheel drive RC you can get. Doesn't sound bad. Naturally aspirated V6. Not a bad car at all. I've always had a huge soft spot for these. Driven the IS 350, but never an RC. A couple different drive modes on this one. Eco, probably press for normal, custom, sport, sport sharp, sport S plus is technically what it says. You can move this to the side to get to your menu. Pretty cool. All right. Normal torque converter automatic. It's not a dual clutch. I like it better that way anyways, because it's a lot smoother around town. I'm surprised that Raptor made that turn, honestly. Interior, very, very comfortable to just spend hours in. I like this thing a lot. Again, I'm partial to it, and I still think this has one of the best induction notes. And a modern day V6. I mean, this thing just sounds so good. It really starts to pull above 4,000. That's where it really starts to pile on the power. Once you're on the highway, cruise comfortably. Just wafting away. That truck might be on fire. Either that or a brake locked up. It's overheating. Handling is actually really impressive. That's something I wasn't expecting. I was expecting it to kind of drive a bit like a boat. I mean, it does. It's not, Honda S2000 or Porsche Cayman good, but it's better than I expected. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.